Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Google Pay and confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This ties your balance to your identity. Once done, make sure the app is updated and permissions for contacts and payments are enabled so transactions flow smoothly. Next, add and verify a bank account or debit card if you haven't already. Verification may take a few minutes. These steps let you view and use your Google Pay balance immediately without delays or blocked transfers. You now locate the balance by tapping the balance card on the home screen or opening your profile and selecting payments. Once there, the app shows your current amount and a short list of recent transactions so you know where money moved. If you need details, use the Transactions tab or the search field to filter by merchant, date, or amount. This helps you reconcile unfamiliar charges. Make sure to refresh the app if the balance looks outdated so you view the latest synced total. You finish by using the transfer or send feature to move money to a bank or another user. Choose the amount, confirm the linked bank or card, and authorize the transaction with your passcode or biometrics. Once complete, monitor the transactions list for the transfer status and allow 1 to 3 business days for withdrawals. If a transfer fails, check that your bank account is verified, the app is updated, and daily limits aren't exceeded. Restarting the app often resolves temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.